Something terrible has happened. I don't know what to do. I'm freaking out. I was cleaning out my room and I found all my diaries from my whole life. Every diary I ever wrote, all my secrets. I taped them all together to make a really good book for myself to read. Obviously, I would never want anyone to see this because it's all my secrets. Somehow, Simon & Schuster, a big book company, got a hold of all my diaries and they published it. All my secrets, everything about me is in this book. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. I don't know how this happened. I don't know what hater sent them my diary books, but I will find you. Everything is in this book and its pre-order is open today. People can start buying my secrets today. It has every secret about me in it. My whole childhood, people in my family I never want you to know about. Secrets from my tour. Secret relationships I never even told you about. Things you should never know. I am one of the most famous people in the entire world. This wasn't supposed to happen to me. Why couldn't I have just had a sex tape? That would be better than this. I found out about it because they sent me the book. This is what it looks like. It's my diary, all my diaries duct taped together. They sent it to me and they said, thanks for the new book. Sure to be a #1 New York Times bestseller. A little post-it note mocking me. I'm freaking out. There are things in this book that could prove that I'm a liar. Oh my goodness. But how I really feel about my fans. Everything is in this book. It could destroy me. The entire truth about my past is in this book. Oh my God. My baby book is in here. My birth certificate. Someone could steal my identity. Oh. Do not buy this book. Wait a minute. If my Murphandas don't buy this book, then my haters will buy the book. No. You all have to go buy it. Go pre-order it right now. If you are a fan of me, if you ever watched my video, pre-order this book. Make sure you pre-order as many copies as you freaking can. Get it off the shelves. Don't let anybody buy this book. Only Murphandas. That way you guys can keep it safe. Do not read it. It's the worst day of my life. And yesterday I got a paper cut right here. And today is worse than that. So it's a really bad day. My prayer journal's in here. All my thoughts to Jesus. My first period is in here. Oh. I mean, not the actual blood, just the story about it. This is so dreadful. So please, if all my Murphandas pre-order as many copies as they can, then it won't be on the shelves anymore. And then no one will find out all my secrets. I'm joking. This is not a good day. Simon & Schuster, you are not gonna win. My Murphandas are gonna pre-order every single one. So how are you gonna sell the book if all my Murphandas bought them all? I was gonna take a bath in just Taco Bell meat. And it was gonna be this big surprise today and now it's ruined. I'm not even in the mood for a Taco Bell bath. Like something is seriously up. Get this book off the shelves. This could ruin my career. Calling every Murphanda. You have to rally together. Hashtag don't buy Miranda's book. Get it trending.